Good evening, gentlemen. So this is my backhoe park for the winter. So it's sitting on a wooden block, all right, and I have another wooden block here under it, and the outriggers fully extended, and the hydraulic hoses, which you can see there, are closed circuit. And for the first time, you can see my tractor connected to the snow plow that Joe and I built and engineered by Joe. So I'm gonna go much in detail when I'm gonna use it, put it outside so you can see the nice snow plow there. I already use it after the fourth day of paint drying, so I use it and it worked marvelously. And I will explain you later on why. So you can see my nice and shiny tractor. I put a coat of wax on it and oil it also. And on the back, as promised, this is my rear snow blower. This is the first time and I show it to you. So I have the 3-point attachment right there and the driving shaft and the top link. It is 56 inches large. It's made here in Quebec by the company. Oh, I forgot the name of the company. It's made in Canada, but it's the name I will let you know later on. But it's made for Mahindra. It's a Mahindra implement. Okay, it's electric driving chute, so I can so left and right, up and down. Alright, so this is a short video about it. When the weather permit, I will put it outside and go give you more detail on how I connect it, everything. Because right now it's ice, rainy, frozen ice, so it's quite dark. But it's it's coming up. All right, so it's and on Friday is they calling for a lot of rain. So maybe we end up with no more snow. All right, so this is guys. Cheers.